What if your favorite Adobe tools didn't just help you create, but actually worked alongside you like a teammate? Adobe has just revealed its next big leap, agentic AI. Think AI-powered assistants built directly into apps like Photoshop, Premiere Pro, and Acrobat, ready to handle repetitive tasks, suggest edits, and even guide your entire creative process. Before we dive in, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment if this kind of innovation gets you excited. Adobe's CTO, Eli Greenfield, recently shared how these new AI agents are designed to supercharge creativity and productivity. While generative AI like Firefly helps you generate images and videos, agentic AI goes a step further. It analyzes, acts, reasons, and solves problems within the software itself. Take Acrobat, for example. With over 3 trillion PDFs in existence and 650 million users a month, Adobe's AI assistant is already helping users extract insights and answer questions. Soon, users will be able to assign custom roles to agents, making Acrobat a true digital analyst. In Adobe Express, agentic AI transforms how content is created. Whether you're a marketer, student, or small business owner, you'll have an AI creative partner that helps design, refine, and even apply trending styles, all without needing deep software knowledge. Creative Cloud users won't be left out either. Over 75% of Photoshop users are already tapping into Firefly features. Now, Adobe is introducing AI agents that can handle dull, repetitive tasks, freeing you to focus on big-picture ideas. Coming soon is a new Actions panel, where Photoshop will suggest smart edits, like enhancing skies or removing distractions, at the click of a button. Plus, it'll teach you how to use features and even offer creative feedback. Premiere Pro users are also seeing major upgrades. Media Intelligence can already analyze clips, recognize objects, and understand shot composition. Adobe plans to go further with agents that can help build rough cuts, suggest shots, mix audio, and streamline the entire editing workflow. Adobe's vision is clear. Intelligent agents that learn from your feedback, adapt to your needs, and help scale your creativity like never before. Want to see how this all plays out in real projects? Watch the related video in the corner for real-world applications of Adobe's AI in action.